MPP will come back to power unless we are united. And I repeat, even if you bring Jesus Christ, without unity, we cannot win the election. So I'm of the opinion and the firm belief that with unity, we'll be able to win 2028. Who are not party members, insulting other people whom they consider not to be on their side. So what's the essence of democracy? We are not enemies. If you contest somebody, you are not his enemy. When we finish, we come together. But we are preaching unity, unity, unity. But the way things are going, it's going to be tough. So whatever you said, we take it in good faith. I'm going to continue preaching unity to get the party to power.
Well, we have that personal relationship where I always refer to you as Mr. President. It's not today. It has always been that. So it's very important that all of us are mindful of our transit. You recall during the presidential primaries when we put a committee led by Professor Michael Quay, we attested to the work that they did. And I can assure you that everyone who have any interest of contesting in our future elections, so far as we are here, and so far as personally I'm the general secretary of the party, we will provide an equal playing field for everyone. That is very important. Because at the end of the day, it's not about our interest. It's not about who we like, who we dislike. It's about the MPP's interest. It's about what the party will benefit. And that is what should be the hallmark of everyone. On social media platforms, we read several denigrating comments, we read several accusations, counter-accusations. Please, at the end of the day, it is the rank and file of the people, over 200,000 people who are going to decide on who becomes the flag bearer of our party. It's not as if. And there's nothing that if the good people of our party decide that this is the direction that they want to go, that we national officers can truncate it or stop it. So please, I'll plead with you. The way you are measured in your speeches, everyone who follows you should follow the same line, at least so that at the end of the day, we remain as a united family. We are very grateful for the kind gesture that you have done this morning, and may God continue to bless you in all your endeavors. Thank you very much.